Hi. Are you ready to boost your English fluency? Get ready for a fun and informative video where we will explore daily English conversation and the most common sentences you will hear in English speaking countries. So, in this video, we are going to level up your English skills with some practical daily conversation tips and essential phrases. So, without wasting time, let's move on to the topic. Before starting our today's topic, if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. So as you know, this is our 30 days English speaking challenge, or this is our day 9. So in today's video, we are going to learn our daily use English sentences. Okay, so we oftenly say, do you remember? क्या तुम्हें याद है? Do you remember? Don't blame me. मुझे इल्ज़ाम ना दो. Don't blame me. It was really good. यानी ये बहुत अच्छा था. It was really good. I need a little help. मुझे छोटी सी मदद की ज़रूरत है. I need a little help. You are very lucky. तुम बहुत खुशकिस्मत हो. You are very lucky. I am used to it. मुझे इस सब की आदत है. I am used to it. Are you there? क्या तुम वहाँ हो? Are you there? It's too late. It's too late. यानी ये बहुत देर हो चुकी है. It's too late. हम यहाँ पर to की जगह very भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. It's very late. I am just coming. I am just coming. यानी मैं बस आ रही हूँ या मैं आ रहा हूँ. Okay? Can I come tomorrow? क्या मैं कल आऊँ? Can I come tomorrow? Please say something. Please कुछ कहो. Please say something. What do you think? तुम क्या सोचते हो? What do you think? I'm quite busy. मैं थोड़ा busy हूँ. I'm quite busy. What will happen now? यानी अब क्या होगा? What will happen now? I have not told anyone. यानी ये मैंने किसी को नहीं बताया. I have not told to anyone. Will you take tea? क्या तुम चाय लेना पसंद करोगे? Will you take tea? He will do just the same. यानी उसने वैसा ही किया. यानी वो वैसा ही करेगा. He will just do the same. Everybody knows it. हर कोई जानता है. Everybody knows it. I feel much better now. यानी मैं अब जो है वो बेहतर महसूस कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ. I feel much better now. He is good for nothing. यानी वो किसी काम का नहीं है. He is good for nothing. So friends, here are some daily use English sentences. You just need to practice and practice it. So friends, if you like this video, never forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching.